Tenorshare AI Bypass AI is one of the latest tools that's taking the digital world by storm. But before you jump into using it, there are 7 crucial things you need to know. In this review, I'll break down everything you need to understand about Tenorshare AI Bypass and how it stands out in the rapidly growing AI software market. Stick with me to the end, because there's one feature that could change how you use AI tools forever. First off, Tenorshare AI Bypass has just been released, and it's quickly becoming one of the most talked about AI solutions. It's designed to bypass locks and passwords on a variety of devices, making it especially useful for people who are locked out of their phones or other smart devices. If you've ever found yourself staring at a locked screen and had no way of accessing your device, this software could be a game changer for you. What sets Tenorshare AI Bypass apart from other tools is its seamless compatibility with both iOS and Android devices. Whether you're locked out of your iPhone or Android device, this software claims to bypass those barriers without needing an Apple ID, Google account, or complex procedures. It's all about ease of use. A one-click solution that's designed for everyone, even if you're not tech-savvy. Now, let's talk about its interface. The design is clean, intuitive, and beginner-friendly. The moment you launch the software, it walks you through every step of the process. You don't need to be a digital expert to understand it. For someone who just wants to get their device back up and running, Tenorshare AI Bypass offers an extremely simplified user experience. One of the standout features is the ability to bypass screen locks, including Face ID and fingerprint locks. This is something most competing products can't offer, especially with Face ID, a feature that's notoriously hard to crack. Tenoshare's AI Bypass does this efficiently, providing an additional layer of security for your device without having to sacrifice usability. But before you rush to download it, there's one thing you should know. While Tenorshare AI Bypass offers a smooth experience, it's not 100% foolproof. There are still occasional bugs or limitations depending on the device and software version you're using. If you have an older device, there might be some compatibility issues to consider. Always check the system requirements before trying it out. You'll also want to be aware of the pricing. While the tool has a free trial, the full version isn't cheap. However, it's an investment worth considering if you regularly deal with locked devices or if you manage multiple accounts for clients or businesses. The pricing model is flexible, with options for one-time purchases or a subscription-based model, depending on how often you need the tool. Another crucial point is the data safety. Tenorshare AI Bypass emphasizes user privacy, claiming that it doesn't store any data or personal information. If you're worried about using a third-party tool, this should give you some peace of mind. Still, as with any software, I recommend reading their privacy policy and making sure it aligns with your needs. Lastly, I'd be remiss if I didn't mention how this software fits into the larger AI landscape. With AI being at the forefront of tech right now, tools like Tenorshare AI Bypass are starting to be an essential part of our digital toolkit. If you're someone who uses AI for a variety of tasks, adding this to your collection could save you a lot of time and frustration. And before you go, remember, you can try Tenorshare AI Bypass completely free from the first link in the description below. You don't have to take my word for it. Try it yourself and see if it works for your needs. I've tested countless AI tools, and I only recommend the ones that make a real impact. If this one's not right for you, I've got other AI software recommendations down there too, so you can find the perfect solution for your digital needs. If you're looking to bypass device locks or just need a reliable AI tool, Tenorshare AI Bypass is definitely worth considering.